So, as you all just saw, the merging of myself and Boxmore has brought many difficult changes, and while most of us have adapted quite well, I realize some of us are still having a bit of trouble.
You're talking about Daryl and Fink, right? Huh?
Well...
Yes!
Boxman!
It's been a real pain! Which is why Professor Venomous and I have developed an excellent minion team-building strategy that is sure to settle their differences. Daryl and Fink, for the foreseeable future, you two will be sharing a bedroom!
I think this is gonna get worse before it gets better!
What? This is the worst day of my life.
Worst day of your life? I'm the real victim here. Your doofus dad is a terrible influence on my boss.
Oh, yeah? Well...
Hey, Fink, what's this cone for?
Oh, from when I got worms.
How very disgusting.
Hey, I know what'll cheer you up. This guy!
My Sheriff Cowboy Daryl Dad hat! Oh, how I miss you. Our rodeo may be over, but our love will go on.
Lame. Didn't anyone tell you? Cowboys blow.
Well, at least I don't have a Lord of the Loot lunchbox.
What's wrong with Lord of the Loot?
Boring! I couldn't get through 5 minutes without falling asleep.
That's because you're weak. Besides, this is where I keep my bestest weapons.
Is that a plasma mace?
Ray, look, it comes in rose gold.
May I?
Go right ahead.
Wow! I've always wanted to play with one of these.
I said Raymond could look, not you!
That's it!
Oh, you done it now?
I am the sheriff of this here side of the room, and you ain't never to cross this here border, or it's the old who's gal for you!